In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Wise account. Let's dive right in and make sure you get set up smoothly, whether it's for personal use or business. To begin, head over to the Wise website and look for the Register button. Once you've clicked Register, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to ensure that you've inputted the correct email, because this is where you'll receive any important notifications or updates from Wise. After entering your email, click Next to proceed. Now you must decide between a personal account or a business account. For personal use, a personal account is your best bet, giving you access to Wise's comprehensive features like sending money abroad to friends or family with ease. However, if you're a business owner hoping to manage cross-border payments, a business account would be more suitable, offering additional tools like invoicing and multi-currency management plans. Make your selection based on your specific needs. After selecting the account type, you'll be prompted to select your country. Scroll through the list and choose Bangladesh. It's really important to select the correct country here, as it will tailor the features and information to suit the guidelines and financial regulations specific to Bangladesh. Next, click Continue. At this point, the system will ask to verify your phone number for added security. Make sure you have your mobile device handy. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code. Enter the code into the prompt to confirm your number. This step is crucial as it provides an added layer of security to your Wise account and ensures you can recover it easily if you ever lose access. Following this, you'll be asked to create a password. Be sure to choose a strong and memorable password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account secure. Remember not to use easily guessable information like birth dates or simple passwords. Creating a robust password here ensures that your financial information and transactions are well protected. With these steps completed, you will have navigated through the registration process successfully. You will be guided through any remaining prompts, which may help tailor the Wise experience to your specific usage. Once you've completed these steps, your Wise account will be set up and ready to go, allowing you to enjoy all its features, whether it's for personal transactions or business needs. And there you go. It's that simple to create a Wise account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy transacting with Wise.